If you want to get rid of quick resume on your Xbox, follow these simple steps. Number one, turn on your Xbox. So first make sure your console is on and that you're on your home screen. Number two, go to your settings. Use your controller to scroll to the gear icon, which represents settings. Press the A button to enter. Select your system. In the system settings menu, find the system option and select it. Choose storage. Look for the storage option within the system settings and select it. This is where you can manage your games and apps. Then you manage quick resume. So basically, find the option for quick resume. You can turn it off completely or manage which games can use it. Then you clear games. If you want to remove games from quick resume, select the game you want to remove and choose the option to clear it from the list. Then you restart your Xbox. So finally, it's a good idea to restart the Xbox to make sure that the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can easily get rid of quick resume and manage your gaming.